In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do Boomerang on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app and then just record a short video, and once you did that, right there you can easily find that arrow icon. You can just tap on it, and that actually allows you to create a boomerang. You can just select the particular part from which you want to make a boomerang. You can just select it, and basically that's it. Also, you can tap at that sign again to switch it to play once, or to loop, or to bounce. Bounce actually means boomerang on Snapchat. After that, you will be able to add all these effects like stickers, sounds, and all that stuff, and then you will be able to hit add send to and send that snap to your friends. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.